This Consteel 2009 Building of the Year nominee was submitted by Sunshine Structures Incorporated of Lehigh Acres, Florida. This $4.3 million landmark bank project was infamously named the building that could not be done with tilt-up construction. The site was extremely tight, with a major road running directly in front of the building, an existing building only 2 feet away, and power lines on the other side. The panels were taller than the slab was wide, and the site provided no place for casting beds. When the original design did not allow the 20,000 square foot building to be built within the owner's budget or schedule, Sunshine Structures' expertise was called on. Sunshine not only proved that the building could be completed with tilt-up, but also saved $240,000 on shell construction costs. Site constraints limited freedom of movement for crews and equipment. This greatly impeded vehicular access, mobility, and overall panel casting area. Every movement had to be pre-planned and coordinated to prevent having people or equipment blocked into a corner. City officials and the police department assisted with traffic control and special permitting. One solution to the tight space to accommodate the height of the panels was extending the concrete slabs and using them as casting beds. Panels were stacked 3 high, and the crane had to crawl directly on top of them. When the panel was suspended, the casting bed was then cut out and removed so the panel could be set on the foundation below. With a building height of more than 54 feet and width of only 35.5 feet, the 42-foot panel braces had to interlock with the braces on the opposite wall like crossed fingers. This didn't leave sufficient space to work and created a new challenge for the steel joist and deck installation. And because power lines surrounded the exterior of the building, a forklift couldn't be used to move the 300-pound braces, so the crews had to physically move them into place. For aesthetic appeal, the architect utilized symmetrical punched window openings with defined chamfered edges to offset the large glass curtain wall feature at the entrance. The glass curtain wall was extended upward to an elevation of 70 feet and combines with a cantilevered conference room glass feature on 3rd and 4th floors. Mediterranean yellow painted walls accent the exterior with clean lines and minimal use of reveal. The Landmark Bank, constructed by Sunshine Structures Incorporated, is a nominee for Consteel Alliance 2009 Building of the Year.